Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you, show you some of the ways of building a complex piano chords, right? So we're going to be in the key of F sharp, right? All right, so let's go. Now, we're going to do this song. I'm going to play it the way you have approached this simple way. Then I'll play the other part. Then I'll explain how to approach this. Okay, so we have this song. For you are great. You play a one chord. You the miracle. 5, so great. 6. There is no one else. 3, like you. Right? Then 1. There is no 2. So normally that's how we approach the song. Now that's how we approach the song, right? So but now look at this, listen to this. For you are great, you do miracle so great. There is no one else like you. There is no one like you. Alright, God bless you. So I'm going to break that down. I'm going to teach you some of the things I'm doing and how you can also try this to really take your piano playing up. Right. So now, first off, I'm in the key of F sharp. Okay, so now, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you can get that by checking for my WhatsApp contact on the channel to buy your copy. You can see the syllabus already on the screen, right? So I taught all that in a video that has the keyboard, the virtual keyboard, the PDF, and then the MIDI files to practice. So you need to get that to also support all the stuff you're learning from this channel. God bless. So now, instead of doing, when we started from 1, for you are 1, right? Instead of going to 5, you know me, we are going to go to 7. For you are great. Then we go to 7. You know me, but now we are going to do a stuff like this to make it complex. I'll play the 7th chord on my left, which is just a minor third interval, which is what's it called? I'm in the key of F sharp, which is F and A flat. So, but what I'm going to do is I'll play my 7 on the left. That's what I'm trying to communicate. Then on the right, I'll play my 2 chord. So now listen to this. For you are great, then you do me. Now look at that. So I'm playing my 7 on the left. I'm playing my 2 chord on the right. But this is what I'm going to do. The 2 chord, I'll play the second inversion. So for you are great. Now listen to this. You do me. Ooh. Then the next chord, you do me right. So now for the 3 chord, I have the 3 on my left, which is a dominant 7 chord, B flat, dominant 7, 1, 5, 7 in the key of D flat, B flat. Now I'm playing my 7, flattened 7th, the third. I'm playing that like upper, this is just upper structure. I play that on my 3. So instead of this, you can do your sharp 5. You can do the augmented chord. You can do it on 3, right? So you can also add the 5 to have something like this. So we have your 3, your 7, your 9 on the left. On the right, we have a sharp 5, 1, 3, 5. So then to your 6, you have your 6, that's the next chord. 6 on the left, 5 on the right hand. So you have your 5 chord. So together we have a for you are great, you know me. 4. So great. Right? So what am I doing here? For your 2 chord, you're gonna have your 2 on your left. That's a passing chord. Your 2 and 1, that's a A flat and F sharp on the left. On the right, we'll play flat 5. We'll play an quarter voicing on that. That's in 4th. So we're gonna play the C, F, B flat quarter chord. So for our 2 rather. Then for the 5 chord, we'll have 5 on the left, which is your 5, 2, flattened 7th. That's it. Then on the left, that's on the left. So on the right, you're gonna have your flattened 7th, the third. So 5 for 5 minor 5. Then so minor 5, that's a E major. That's E major. So on the 1, you're gonna have something like this, which is 1, 5, flattened 7th on the left. On the right, we're gonna have your 3. That's your 6 major. So you play your 6 major. So this is another upper structure here. That's how professional voice that chord or to your 4. So together we have a for you are great, you do miracle so great, there is no one else like you. So your 4 also you have your 4, which is a B and F sharp. On the right you have your 6 minor, second inversion. So which is a B flat, E flat, and G flat rather for your 4. So to learn most of these chords, you should get my intermediate piano course and my advanced piano course also. They are on my seller store, and the link is on the about page of this channel. God bless you. If you have any questions, you can put them on the comment section. God bless you. Bye.